In this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys on how to fix the problem where Discord Quest videos or trailers won't play. If your Quest videos just keeps loading or says can't play video, the quick guide will help you fix it. First, let's make sure your internet connection is working properly. So try playing a normal YouTube video in your browser to confirm if it's not a connection issue. Then close Discord completely from the task manager and reopen it. Sometimes the app just needs a fresh start. So let's just go into the browser, just go to YouTube and have a quick click on any video and make sure your internet's working, right? And if it still does not work, click Control Shift S to open Task Manager and click on Discord and end task and reopen it after this. Might as well run it as administrator as well. Sometimes some functions are being blocked unless you run them as administrator, right? So if it's still not fixed, we have another fix, and that is to open Discord. I just closed it. Let me reopen it. Give it a quick second. And here now we'll be going into the Discord settings, and there's an option you have to disable. Alright. Alright, so settings, and I want you to scroll down to app settings and click on advanced and make sure hardware acceleration is disabled. So you want to disable this because sometimes in older systems it causes some bugs with video processing, and for my laptop it's not an issue, but some of the older systems with Windows 8 and the older versions it does cause issues, so you might as well give it a try. Now if it still doesn't work, we will try clearing up Discord's cache. So what you want to do is hit Windows R and open this run kind of pop-up, okay? And here you want to type in percentage app data percentage and hit enter. And once this file explorer pop-up is open, you want to search for a Discord folder, click on it and click on cache and delete everything inside, or you might as well just delete the whole cache. It doesn't really matter. And don't worry, this is not, you're not deleting anything important here. Once you close Discord and reopen it, it'll create this whole folder again, fresh and new, right? So sometimes what happens is this folder might get corrupted, and so you want to delete it and reopen Discord, obviously with the task manager and task, and reopen it, and it'll create a new folder, fresh and new, and it might just fix the problem. Now if this also doesn't work, what you can do is sometimes there are issues due to there being undownloaded updates. So what you want to do is click Control R inside the Discord app. Just refreshes the whole Discord. Or you might as well just go ahead to Control Panel, uninstall Discord, and freshly install it. That might also solve your problems. You can go ahead and download from discord.com, Windows, or whatever system you're using, okay? Now if that also doesn't work, and there's another fix, and that involves whether if you're using the web version or the desktop version. If you're using the desktop version, try giving the web version a try, and vice versa, right? Now if this still does not work, I do have 4 extra fixes that might help. And the first one is to just go into Discord and log out of your account and log back in. Sometimes this fixes the issue. And if that doesn't work, try switching from desktop app to the web version, which I just explained. And if that also doesn't work, temporarily turn off any overlays like Xbox game bar from your settings, from your Windows settings, or NVIDIA Shadowplay, or anything of that sort. And lastly, make sure to disable any VPNs or firewalls that might block video content, because well, VPNs do that, okay? So make sure to disable any VPNs when you're doing the quest tasks on your quest bar, right? So I hope this video helps you guys out, and that'll be it for today, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.